Good evening, parents. Good evening, invited guests and coaches. My name is Chizaram and I enrolled in the CSS and HTML classes. My project, I made a simple game app with the help of HTML, Java, and CSS. The CSS for designing, the HTML for the body, and the Java for the process. As you can see in the app, once you make a move, if you have someone with you, the person also make his own move. Unfortunately, I could not design to go against computer, so it's a game where you have two people to play it with. And once you have won the game, it will show you to automatically give a winner.
Okay.
To reset the game, you press the button.
Oh, amazing. This is a beautiful game. This is a very beautiful game. Amazing. Please, let's play this game after this call, right? We would like to play this game after this call. I'm sure Sumisman Francis 3 wants to play this game as well.
Yes, I'm
amazing, Chizaram. Amazing. Thank you so much for that, Chizaram. That was beautiful.